Welcome. If you want to change Always On Display theme in your HUAWEI Nova 9, you have to go for the settings, find home screen and the wallpaper, select Always On Display, and right now you can pick the default themes from this screen. So we can pick, for example, this one, and then click apply. You can also pick your own picture. You have to tap on the first theme, tap to change image, and then pick the image from the gallery. So let's pick, for example, this one. Of course, we can resize this picture, as you can see. So I'll go for this part of the photo, click to apply, and take a look right now. There it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.